following message is transmitted at the request of the Toledo Public Health Organization. Residents of Toledo, do not drink or use any tap water. Public health officials have discovered an unknown bacteria found in the water supply in Toledo, Ohio. As of right now, there have been no known cases of people drinking the contaminated water, but the symptoms that may occur after drinking this water are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal cramps, and constipation. It is believed that the bacteria is not fatal, but could make you very sick. Young children, the elderly, and people with pre-existing health conditions are at higher risk of getting extremely ill. If you have drunk any tap water within the last 6 hours, go to your local doctor to get the proper treatment. Residents hearing this message should take the following precautions. Do not use tap water for drinking, taking showers or baths, flushing toilets, or washing clothes. Only drink bottled water or any other beverages at this time. Public health officials and doctors are currently working to try to identify this bacteria. Once again, do not use or drink any tap water. Please stay tuned to the station for further updates on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Toledo Public Health Organization. The situation regarding the contaminated water has worsened. At least 50,000 people have been admitted to Toledo area hospitals with the symptoms of the bacteria found in the water supply 1 day ago. The symptoms you may experience after drinking the contaminated water are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal cramps, and constipation. This bacteria is not fatal, but young children, the elderly, and people with pre-existing health conditions may be at a higher risk of getting very ill due to this bacteria. If you have drank any tap water, or have experienced any of the symptoms within the last 24 hours, do not go to the hospital as many hospitals are full right now. Instead, go immediately to the nearest doctor. Remember to take these precautions. Do not drink or use any tap water for any reason, including drinking, showering or bathing, flushing toilets, and washing clothes. Only drink bottled water or any other beverages at this time. If you drink the tap water, you may get very sick. Once again, do not drink or use any tap water in the city of Toledo, Ohio. Please stay tuned for further updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Toledo Public Health Organization. Residents of Toledo, it is now safe to drink tap water. Many patients have been released from the hospitals across the area, and the bacteria has been removed from the water supply. It is now safe to use tap water for drinking, showering or bathing, flushing toilets, and washing clothes. Thank you for your cooperation during this emergency situation.